Okay everybody, time for an update. Pressure washed the frame after getting the tub off of it, and now that the tub's off, I can see what needs to be done. I'm already replacing the rear cross member. That's a given. But there's a bit of rot there. It's not too bad. Some of this stuff just did not want to come off, period. But yeah, once I go through and I get the rest of the bits and pieces off of here and clean them up, then I'll have an exact idea of what needs to be done. I think I'm going to have to do cut off and re-weld pretty much every body mount. Let's see, the front's actually not too bad, except for that crack right there. The rest of it's just dirt and congealed gunk. Yeah, so a lot of it came off with the pressure washer, and a lot of it didn't. But yeah, I'm going to have to go through and re-clean the whole tub, because we pressure washed the tub while it was out there too, and probably got about 10 pounds worth of Texas mud off of it. But again, you know, this isn't too bad of damage, at least not in my opinion. Some people would probably say it's a write-off, just to, you know, replace firewall and all that, firewall toe boards and all that good junk. But I don't think that's really necessary. That's what I have left to work with on the hinge mounts. This one's going to be fun. I think I can fab up a whole section there. But coming back here, hey, more parts, and there's my Pro Thing full kit. But yeah, she's ready to be cleaned up. Pardon the mess. Just got new gloves. I go through gloves pretty quickly. They don't last long. They're comfortable as heck, but they're made out of cloth and they just don't last long. But there we have that. And it's pretty tight tolerances in here. I got just enough room to get up to the trash cans and get stuff in there. As a matter of fact, I think that box back there is the new cross member. I haven't opened it yet. But yeah, so progress has been made. Keep tuned.